Being in this industry, how would you describe the current state of Ghana's pharmaceutical industry, especially in relation to the medicine security and self-sufficiency in the country?
Thank you very much for the opportunity to engage with your audience. We have come from a long way, but there is more that we can do. Truth be told, for quite some time, our reliance on imports to sustain our pharmaceutical care system was quite high. But in recent times, through several interventions from several governments that we have had, we have invested heavily into self-reliance in terms of our pharmaceutical care needs. For quite a while now, we are doing about 30% in-house of the medicines that we ought to have and use. But that is still a long gap in between. When you consider that medicines are a national security issue, we must tackle the 3 A's of pharmaceutical use, and which is the access, accessibility, and affordability conversation. To the extent that we are not self-reliant on making these medicines ourselves, we would always be overtaken by these 3 A's of access, availability, and affordability. Consistently, we have been making investments into how we can be self-reliant. We proposed from 2017 that by 2027, we should be about 50% self-reliant when it comes to medicines that we make in-house. Thankfully, we are doing quite well within the sub-region, that we are able to do a lot of some exports to our neighboring countries within the sub-region. But truth is, because we are unable to recoup the investments that we make into the manufacture of these medicines, it makes it more difficult to meet the targets and milestones that we have set for ourselves. And this is where policy and will of government comes in to help move us forward on the agenda that we have set for ourselves.